Federal law does not force immigration officials to either give aliens held in federal custody periodic court hearings or release those aliens into the general U.S. population. Everyday immigration officials must determine whether to admit or remove the many aliens who have arrived in official port entry. Justice Samuel Alito began for the court. Although the vast majority of situations are decided quickly, in hard cases federal law authorizes detaining aliens during immigration proceedings. Alejandro Rodriguez is a Mexican who was in the U.S. legally until he was convicted for drugs and theft in 2004. His lawyers argued that he should not be deported, although he could leave the United States at any time if he agreed on deportation. He had been in custody since 2004 because he is contesting the deportation process. Rodriguez's lawyers made two arguments. First, a complicated statutory argument that several provisions of immigration law require that he be entitled to occasional bond hearings. They say every 6 months, without which he must be released back in the general population. When a serious doubt is raised about constitutionality act of Congress, it is cardinal principle that the court will first ascertain whether the reconstruction of the statute is fairly possible by which the question may be avoided. Despite the clear language of the relevant provisions of immigration law, Rodriguez's lawyer argued that those provisions nevertheless can be construed to contain implicit limitations on the length of detention. Nothing in the text of relevant federal law even hints that those provisions restrict detention after 6 months, the court reasoned. To the contrary, they make clear these statutory provisions mandate detention of aliens throughout the completion of applicable proceedings. Justice Clarence Thomas concurred in much of Alito's opinion, but Thomas, joined by Justice Neil Garosh, would have dismissed the entire case for lack of jurisdiction. Congress has prohibited courts from reviewing aliens' claims related to their removal, except for a final removal in order to other circumstances not present here. Thus, without a final order or whether to deport, Thomas Garosh would hold that courts cannot hear the claims, including to order the alien released.
Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe our channel for more news videos daily and for what's viral today. Also turn on post notifications and don't miss nothing. A thumbs up really makes me blessed.